Should be getting ready to get some water out of that condensate pump. Pressures. Pretty sweet. There we go. Thank goodness for Goodman. The Goodman is in action. Still need to do a little insulating.